Hi guys, welcome to our new video in this JavaScript tutorial series. So today we will be writing a JavaScript program to check whether a given year is a leap year in the Georgian calendar or not. So let's create a JavaScript file. New JavaScript file, we will be calling it as leapyear.js, and there are certain parameters or certain steps based on which we can determine that whether a year is a leap year or not. So basically what we will do first is we will check if the year is evenly divisible by 4. Then we will divide that year with 100. If that year is evenly divisible by 100, then we will divide it by 400. So I'll give the comment of the steps so that it's easily understandable for all of us. So I'll copy it from one side of my screen to the other side. So what basically we will be doing in order to determine whether a year is a leap year or not, first we will check if the year is evenly divisible by 4. Then we will go to step 2, which is this, else we will go to step 5. So our step 5 says that a year is not a leap year, it has 365 days. If the year is evenly divisible by if the year is not evenly divisible by 4, then the year is not a leap year. In the step 2, we will be checking if the year is divisible by 100. Then we will go to step 3, which is we will be going here, else if the year is not evenly divisible by 100, we will say that it is a leap year. Lastly, we will check if the year is evenly divisible by 400, we will say that it is a leap year, else it is not a leap year. So based on these steps explanation, we will be writing our program for the leap year check. Guys, don't worry, I will be providing this code in the GitHub link, so you can check and access the code from there. So basically we will be writing an arrow function in here, and we will be passing a year parameter, and in this year parameter we will be using ternary operator to determine whether the year is leap year or not. Let me give a bracket as the syntax suggests, and as a return to this function we will be returning, and in this return first we will check that if the year is completely divisible by 100, the year is completely divisible by 100, then we will be passing it to our question mark, then we will be passing it here, where we will check the year whether the year is completely divisible by 400 or not. If it is so, we will be calling with 4. So let's test this function. Let's test this function whether it is a leap year or not. Leap. And yes, as per the leap years, it is returning true, true, false, false. So So that's it for the leap year video, guys. If you do like the content, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Do share it with your friends, and thanks. That's it for today.